The hot tomato sauce filling and capping machine, for head servo-based gear pump filling machine, Flowmatic model, single head screw capping machine, is a precision-engineered solution designed for efficient, hygienic, and high-speed packaging of thick and semi-viscous sauces such as tomato ketchup, hot sauce, and chili paste. The system features a 4-head servo-based gear pump filling unit that ensures accurate and consistent filling volumes with minimal wastage, even for hot or dense products. Its Flowmatic model allows digital control over filling parameters, enabling smooth adjustment of speed, volume, and temperature settings to maintain uniformity across all containers. The integrated single-head screw capping machine efficiently seals bottles or jars with perfect torque accuracy, preventing leakage and preserving product freshness. Built from stainless steel, SS304/316, this machine meets strict food grade and safety standards, making it ideal for use in sauce processing plants, food packaging industries, and commercial filling lines. The system's compact design, servo-driven accuracy, and user-friendly touchscreen interface make it an excellent choice for manufacturers seeking a fully automatic, reliable, and versatile filling and capping solution. The hot tomato sauce filling machine servo-based is a highly efficient and versatile system designed to handle a wide range of thick and semi-viscous food sauces with precision and hygiene. This advanced filling machine is ideal for filling tomato ketchup, chili sauce, Schezwan sauce, mayonnaise, mustard sauce, pizza sauce, pasta sauce, barbecue sauce, soy sauce, sweet chili sauce, hot garlic sauce, green chili sauce, mint chutney, tamarind